walk me around, show me what you got here. Let's check it out. Looks like a 20s model pickup or something. No? Is that?
This one right here?
Yeah, that one.
Late 20s, early 30s, Model A. Check
Model A.
It's 2 chassis and then parts of a body.
Mm-hmm.
Then there's another one just like it over there.
Barn's falling down.
Mm-hmm.
You got this truck.
Yeah,
Flathead Ford still in it.
This was a ex-government truck. It's got an extra long chassis.
Uh-huh.
Bed. It had a flatbed or something on it.
Okay.
We don't have any.
It's a big cool yard art.
Yeah.
It
We
really
don't have
would
any
be.
paperwork on this.
No paperwork. Yeah, she's a little rough. It'd be real cool yard art though. With some painters, potters and stuff in it.
Mm-hmm.
That's what my girlfriend wants. Couple little front clips here.
Yeah, we got two 46,
46, 47 fronts. Okay. Framed or something. An old frame over there.
Yeah, more Model A frame. 28 Mac.
28 Mac.
47, 1.5 ton dirt truck. On the other side of it is a 50 F3 1-ton truck.
53. Another Model A T, maybe.
It's 2 Model A chassis sitting on top of each other.
Oh, okay.
Mid 60s.
Rambler.
Rambler.
Okay.
It's a Model T or what's left of it in the back corner.
In the back corner, we'll check that out. And these Jeeps.
47 Willys.
47. That's a 2-door. Watch out. 47. It's pretty cool. Real cool, real cool. Ranger truck. It's kind of beat up. Looks like there's a Ford Galaxy or something over here.
Yeah.
65. All the barns are dilapidated.
Yeah, he built all this and started collecting back in 68, so
Mm-hmm.
it's all been here a while.
It's 4-door, but it looks pretty complete.
Complete, straight, title.
Got a title. Just need
I'm not sure. The family said something about this one might be sold. I'm not
Yeah.
entirely sure.
Interior looks decent on it, don't it?
It was a one-owner car. He bought it. It was his aunt's car. She bought it new.
Uh-huh.
She upgraded. He bought it from her, brought it here, and parked it right there. Never drove it.
How many miles on it? You didn't check. It sounds like it's going to have low miles, 40,000 or something, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Find them like that all the time. I've got a 68 GTO. It's got 42,000. Here's my miles. Matching numbers. What is that?
28 Studebaker delivery truck.
A 28 Studebaker delivery.
It belonged to a general store here in town. It was the tobacco and candy distribution truck.
Stuffed full of engines.
Yep. Flathead V8s, Chevy
Yeah.
V8s, parts, pieces, sales.
This thing right here would be real cool. You got the front clip for it at all? You do have the front clip for
He
it?
bought it from them when they went out of business, pulled the front clip off, put a tongue on it, and brought it back here for just a storage trailer, but we put
Right.
the front clip on it every time.
You do have the front clip. Probably got a frame. If not, you'd just do a custom frame on it, wouldn't you?
Yeah,
still,
just do a
still got the rear end in it. This thing's pretty cool. Real cool. You don't see that.
That one, the one that he's in over there is the it was a built delivery truck, Ford delivery van.
Uh-huh. Okay.
I got this Model T and then the parts wagon next to it. He
Some
pulled this one apart.
Cushmans back there in the back.
Yeah, he collected Cushmans. This one he brought back here and started pulling it apart to restore it back in the 80s or something. All the parts and pieces for it are on there, supposedly.
You got hoods, you got fenders, skirts. It's the main body of it. Door. I knew a lady that had a whole bunch of Cushmans, just sold them all. What are they asking for each vehicle?
It
It just depends on different stuff.
depending on condition, title status, stuff like
Right.
that. They kind of gave me some free range, but not.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool, man. Appreciate it. Bunch of engine stuff.
Oh yeah, there's all kinds of flatheads stacked up back here and all. Let's see.
No anvil in here. Somebody was drinking some beer and some sodas.
He actually didn't like that. He picked these up on the side of the road.
Really? But never.
I don't know what his plans were with them, but
Let's see what we can see. It's probably Snake City, isn't it?
I haven't found a single snake on the property.
Well, that's good. Refrigerator's still humming. Still got power. Still got lights. Of course the light don't come on. Floor's gone too. It's a little house.